Right. So this is about your class timetable actually 2028 A levels timetable. Right. So our fixed time is actually Saturday. Okay. Saturday 7:30 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. Okay. So this is actually our permanent class schedule. Okay, this is the time, but in April month, so in April month the schedule is going to slightly change, but from May month onwards again it is going to fix in this permanent schedule Saturday. So what are the dates? So these are the dates. So this is permanent schedule, but in April month we are going to slightly change from this schedule, and these are the dates. Okay, right. So 17th, right, 17th 4th 2026, this is actually Friday, right. Then on the next, which is 24th 4th 2026, again Friday. Okay, so these two dates we are going to put our class in this time, 10:30 p.m. okay, 7:30 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. right. Then after that, right, after 24th, then from next month onwards, okay, after 24th, from next month onwards, which means May month onwards, we are going to change the schedule from back to our usual time, right. So then don't get confused or don't miss any class. So this is the temporary schedule, this is the permanent schedule, right. So only in month of April we are going to do our classes. For these 2 weeks we are going to do it on Friday. Then after that we are going to again come into the same schedule, which is Saturday. Okay, right. And regarding the paper, I have put a separate video about the paper, how you are going to write your unit test 1. Then everything is in the WhatsApp channel, so have a look. And if you have any problem or if you need to join to classes, then this is the call center number. You can get any of the information from this number, right. So just send a WhatsApp message to this number, then you can get whatever the assistance that you need. Okay, are you clear? Right. So let's see you on when 17th Friday, right. So until that you will be having your New Year festival. So happy New Year, Subha Sinhala saha Hindu Alutta Avuruddak wewa. So happy New Year everyone. See you on 17th Friday from the lesson. Okay, see you.